after the penalty, a first down at 15. And right across the middle. And Dorial Green-Beckham showing a lot of what he can do, including yards after the catch. It's going to be good for a first down after the 31.
Bad lower, DGB. Nice throw.
How about this?
Nice throw.
Back-to-back first downs for Dorial Green-Beckham. That one was good for 15. That ball's going to be there. Out of the shotgun. Firing off a couple of hands, and it's picked off. Picked out of the air by Justin Burris off the tip. And a red zone interception turns away a scoring threat. Lining up in coverage now as the Jets take over at their 15. Petty setting up a screen. And lots of room to run with a good block on the outside. Rumbling ahead is Robinson, and he's going to have first down yardage out across the 30-yard line.
Hey, we got a lot of Philly kids in the game tonight, and I think that's kind of cool.
That's fun. On third down, Petty wants it all up the sideline. Got a man, and it's there for the touchdown.
Speaking of Temple and Villanova.
Robbie Anderson, the rookie out of Temple. Back outside their own 25-yard line on first down. Daniels 10 out of 15, and there's his second interception of the ball game. And once again, it was Tawan Jones.
You would really be excited by his get-off. Very quick off the ball.
Turner's going to have an opportunity to return this one. Took one last look at the coverage and now receiving at his own 29. There he goes. Got one man to beat. He is gone. Touchdown. 71 yards. How about that?
And as soon as he got fired, the promised scholarship disappeared.
He's keeping it himself. Big time run. Lost the ball as he got to midfield, and the Jets fall on top of it in their territory. We'll see what they can get done here right now on this second down and 4. Hackenberg. Pressure coming again. Just barely got rid of it, and it's picked off. This one could go all the way. Reynolds in a foot race down the sideline, and he is gone. Touchdown. 92 yards.
Joe Douglas is to grow with him.
O'Neal lost the ball that time, and I believe the Jets got it. Yep. That's the 5th turnover of the night for the Eagles. So the Eagles will end unbeaten in the preseason.